teacher competency. Why teachers competency is really needed? To have a teacher which have a competency means that we need a way to be upgraded. And you know what? One of program in Junior High School Ahmad Dahlan is upgrading a teacher in every year. In every year, a teacher must learn something. They have to learn how to improve their quality teaching in their class. That's why SMP Muhammadiyah Ahmad Dahlan become one of the best school in Lampung, especially in Metro City. For you as a parent, don't forget to give recommendation for your family or maybe your children later on if they're going to pursue their study, especially for secondary school. You might choose Junior High School Ahmad Dahlan as your chosen school to educate your children there. Okay, I'm waiting for you in Junior High School Ahmad Dahlan Metro. I'm Adi. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.